sunshine. Are we getting up? So, I figured I would do. Hi. Look who's off today. So I figured I would put a video up before Thanksgiving because I am vlogging for Thanksgiving, and I wasn't gonna do anything. I wasn't gonna go to my sister. I wasn't gonna go. I was just in a pissy mood, and I think I know why I was in a bad mood. So I have to go to the store to get a test, like a really good test. I've been getting like really faint lines on these tests, and my mood has been like completely off. Like I'm cranky. I get mad and upset at little tiny things and just off. So I need to get some better tests because the ones that I have are these. It's not gonna cut it. There's faint lines on them. They're not very sensitive, I know this. But with this guy, these are very sensitive. And this I took a few days ago. Guys, do you see that? I know you guys see that. Yeah, I know you guys see that. I know you see the line. Yep. So, yeah, I took that a few days ago. I'm pretty sure. So I'm going to be doing a live pregnancy test at the right point. I don't want to put out too much of those, and that's not what my channel is about. So, yeah. So I figured I'd do a little vlog for you guys, just to let you know that I am vlogging for Thanksgiving. I wasn't going to go to my family, but then I was like, whatever. I don't want them having something else. Look, and I've been breaking out like crazy all over my face, like right here, right here, right here. I don't know what's going on. It's either my hormones is like completely out of whack, or I don't know. I'm going through a lot right now. I just, it just doesn't help that other people are like so insensitive, because when your hormone is like whack, it's just whacked. So yeah, so I am going to vlog. But everyone is still sleeping in my house. The twins are up.
Damn.
I'm sorry. You didn't want me to sit on you?
I'm fine.
Good morning, Mr. Albanos.
Yo,
Good morning. How's your face look like that?
like what?
Okay. All puffed up.
What do you mean?
Your face look puffed up like you're mad about something. Are you mad about something? Yeah. You hungry?
A little bit.
Yeah, that would explain it. When my husband is hungry, he's not as happy self. So I'm gonna go feed him, and I'm gonna pull up this video to get you guys just to hang on to something, because I'm probably not gonna be posting no time soon. Probably, I don't know when you guys gonna get today's. I wear a maxi dress, guys. A maxi dress in fall. A maxi dress. I put away all my maxi dresses yesterday because I told you guys I was cleaning up my closet and stuff. So I got everything back into the closet. I got all the stuff. My husband things are, I hung up all his clothes except for mine because I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do. So all my maxi dresses I put back in their thing and put them away. And this was the only one that was left out. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to put it on because I don't need to put the top on. I don't need to put a bottom on. Just put this on and you're good to go. And that's what I did. So, what is that? There be a lot of stuff on. Oh, it's the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Okay. Excuse me. I made rice porridge yesterday. Rice pudding. I'm gonna go get that ready for my kids and my husband breakfast because I don't have no food in my house. No egg, no nothing. Probably could figure something else out for breakfast, but there's no food in my house. Like, literally. I'm going shopping after Thanksgiving because that's when you get the best deal. Everything goes on sale. You know, all the goodies are on sale. So I'm going to wait after and then go and get, is it here that I look? Is it here? I don't know where to look. You guys tell me, does it seem like I'm looking at you guys or does it seem like I'm looking at a screen? Because the more I focus over here where the lens are, it feels like I'm looking elsewhere. So I don't know where to look. Because right now I'm looking at the camera and I look dead on. I don't want to look dead on. I want to be looking like I'm engaging to you guys. Like I'm actually having a conversation with you guys. Like, but where do I look? I don't know. And it's on my phone. It's on my phone. Honey, where do you think I should look?
Mm-hmm.
Where do you think I should look? Off to the side?
Mm-hmm.
Like you? Like, yeah, I don't know what to do. No, that don't. Whatever. So I say, oh, and guys, I am up to 88 sunshines. So my goal is to reach 100 by Christmas. So I don't know if I'm gonna make it. And then after I reach 100 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway, just to show you guys. You know, it's like a little appreciation, something, 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 something. So I'm gonna do that, and hopefully it's before Christmas because that way it can be included in whoever wins it Christmas thing. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for all your support, and I appreciate it very much. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog, which would be our Thanksgiving fiasco. Yeah, so I'll see you guys. Bye.